go through. You're going to practice your hits. Practice your hits.
Okay, so what are we doing?
We're hip checking in a proper, correct way. Not Britney Spears,
Shakira all the way around. Okay, here comes Booty. Do some Shakira hitting.
Swing, swing. Yeah. Next, go. Sorry.
Mm. Yay! Fresh meat, kissing, feed, fixing. Oh my gosh! Come on, give us that Shakira booty. Anyways, so that is Stagger Your Mama. Practicing blocking by using lots of booty.